Right now, your Politics Sentiment API is showing an unusual sentiment score of -0.007, alongside a momentum of 0. This is noteworthy because sentiment has dipped below its historical baseline, indicating a subtle but significant shift in public opinion, despite no immediate momentum change. With 19 semantic clusters at play, you can delve into the specific topics driving this sentiment. Consider using this API to analyze how recent political events are affecting public perception over time. Imagine building a tool that alerts you when sentiment shifts dramatically, helping you stay ahead of the curve. To explore this further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.